The engineers are having a race today. Use the arrows to choose an engine. This is the Zeppelin. Its balloon is full of hot air that keeps it up, and it uses a propeller to move forward. It's not as fast as the trains, so pilot the Zeppelin into wind currents to pass the competition. Select the This is Let's practice driving the dinosaur train. Ready, set, go! Press the power button to power your train. Track branches ahead. Press the down arrow to take the lower path, or press the up arrow to choose the upper path. There's a water tower ahead. Choose the upper path to boost your steam. Run. Choose practice to ready, set, go! Train pulls ahead. The dinosaur train finished in first place. Way to go! You get a gold medal. Choose race to try again. If you want to try another train, select the blue button.